Hi, we are here today at Frontier Ag and Turf in New Richmond, Wisconsin, showing you a nice 333D track skid steer that we have on our lot. This machine is a 2011 model with 559 hours on it. It has a power quick attach, cold start package, and hazard warning lights. As you can tell, this skid steer is still in good condition, and as you hear it run, you will realize that it is in great running condition and will last you for many years to come. In the cab of this skid steer, it has an air suspension seat, a radio, and interior mount rearview mirror. You can view this skid steer and many others that we have on our lot here at Frontier Ag and Turf in New Richmond, Wisconsin, or online at www.frontieragturf.com. Thank you for viewing our 333D track skid steer. We hope you have a great day.